Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow a garden. First, let's talk about the foundation, your soil. Healthy soil is the single most important factor for a thriving garden. It needs to be well-draining yet retain enough moisture and rich in organic matter. A balanced soil structure, often described as loamy, allows roots to breathe and access nutrients easily. Understanding your soil's current condition is the first step towards a successful harvest. Once you understand your soil, it's time to enrich it. Adding organic matter, such as well-rotted compost or aged manure, is incredibly beneficial. This improves soil structure, boosts microbial activity, and slowly releases vital nutrients. For heavy clay soils, organic matter helps break it up, and for sandy soils, it improves water retention. Remember, healthy soil feeds your plants, so consistent enrichment is key for long-term success. Proper watering is an art, not a science, but there are key principles. Deep, infrequent watering encourages roots to grow deeper, making plants more resilient. Overwatering is a common mistake, leading to root rot and nutrient loss. Good drainage is paramount. Raised beds or amending heavy soils can help significantly. Applying a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch will also dramatically reduce evaporation, saving you time and water. Sunlight is the energy source for your garden. Most fruiting vegetables like tomatoes and peppers need a minimum of 6 to 8 hours of direct sun each day. Leafy greens can tolerate a bit less. Select plants that thrive in your specific climate and light conditions. Also, consider plant spacing. Giving each plant enough room, typically 12 to 18 inches apart, ensures good air circulation, which helps prevent common diseases and maximizes yield.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.